Buenas tardes compañeros, maestro. Voy a presentar lo que es mi trabajo final. Automated Part Engine Mode. Description. A structural metal component that supports and screws the engine to the vehicle chassis. Part substance warrant. 1. Supplier information. Supplier name, address, split code, part information, custom part number, part description, design relay, subject date, process informative, tolling number, manufacturer processing description, manufacturer locating mail, reason for subchain, new part, engine chain, split chain, correct or display, another. Y aquí están lo que son mis planos del monoblog. Material records. Material: gray cast iron, ductile iron, cast aluminum alloy, cylinder line, insert range. Example grade: 1314, 6014. Dancing, adventures, disadvantage, typical application. Advantage: good matching low, cost excel, vibration. Disadvantage: weighty height than aluminum, higher state, better durability than gray iron, more example than gray iron, lightweight excel that display, correct resist, low wear resist, rakai cylinders, high wear resist, good hardest, and when requires precise installation. Stained crystal are renting, bold sounds, costly increased casting, complexity. Process records. 1. Mode tool dancing. A 3D CAD model of the engine block is created. Mats are designed wide allow for stain and painting. 2. Mold fabrication. Aluminum raised metal molds. Iron State use the molds with beards or rays. 3. Metal melting. The metal is melted in a forcing temperature. Aluminum, iron. 4. Poured cast. Mold metal is poured into the mold by grade to pressure or knife presses. 5. Cooling and scaldment. The metal cools and scolifies inside the mold over control. 6. Mold removal. The mold is removed, sand mold broke and desert metal mold openware. 7. Clean and clean. Thin rooms and slim smart. The block is clean while root coating or shirt. 8. Haters. Aluminum total for the impervious iron. Normally are hated if required. 9. CNC matching. Precision making of crystal store shows a crystal board surface my journey. 10. Cylinder lead and insert style. Iron slane or the steel installed in aluminum block to the cancer wear resist. 11. Inspection and testing. Dimensional check, pressure testing, hard testing, and X-ray on international. Final claim. Claim to remove clips, ollies, and debris prior parkings. 13. Parking and finish. Approved parts are painted according to custom required white, purple lane, and scored. Test result. Fracture, nominal, cylinder bore, diameter, beacon hand block to the screen, main bearing, elite, cylinder bore the spank, parameter, test position, the rate, acceptable lane rate. Aquí vemos que la nominación es de 86 milímetros. Para el block son 215 milímetros. La temperatura que debe requerir es de 6 bares por 30 minutos. Process Capital Studies. Cylinder bore diameter. Nominal specification. Bueno, aquí vemos que para el diámetro del cilindro, la numeración, como ya había dicho, es de 86.00 milímetros. La tolerancia es de 85.98 milímetros a 86.002 milímetros. That collect 30 resort bore en 86.00 milímetros. Made standard very effective. AMF y DMF. Possible third in automotive engine block. 1. Dimension lines. All the cylinder bore diameter block in a line. Distorted to the tube smeared during cooling. Matching of the main bore yards of cylinder. 2. Steward defectors the material. Internal porosity and road stand during cast. No metallic includes intrusions, micro cracks or fractures from thermal or mechanic stress. Unit scale reactance correction oxidate. Control plan. Process characteristics specific control method frequency responsibility correction. Casting. Base dimension. Pre-die. Kailer template. Engine weight. Batch. Casting operation. Adjusted mode. Casting process. Casting international porosity. No porosity class 2. X-ray inspection. Batch. Quality department. Review cast parameters. Height treatment. Hardness. 85-105, William Hart Test, HBH, Quality Lab, Adjusted Day Determining Cycle. Making cylinder bore diameter X100 micrometers, 8 bits, CNC operator, adjusted make, tolling, making short. Resource set, its place, CNC operating, to the adjuster replens, accessible, strain, pre-wind, dimensional reserve, advanced, assembler operating, resource plus use, parameters no late, 6 bar or for 30 minutes, percentage bit, and space, quality department, repair or ratchet, final inspection, dimension per wing and send escalator, space, quality department, reward or rate, printing and ship, level and protect according to started, visual inspection, and bid, logistic, respect, correct, late. Y por último tenemos lo que es la tabla. Esta es la categoría de lo que son materiales, el proceso, las posibles fallas, el estado de pruebas, plan de control. Tenemos aquí la subcategoría, que es el material principal, los alternativos, la fundición, tratamiento térmico, mecanizado, ensamble, dimensionales, materiales, superficie, pruebas, dureza, capacidad del proceso, fundición, tratamiento térmico, mecanizado, ensamble, prueba de presión, inspección final y empaque. Tenemos el detalle, que es el aluminio y el hierro fundido, Función del modelo de área, envejecimiento, diámetro del cilindro, inserción de camisas fuera de tolerancia, rebabas, mala rugosidad, fugas en pruebas. Tenemos el método de acción, que son pruebas químicas certificadas, análisis metalográfico, control de proceso, prueba de dureza, medición micrómetro, medición dimensional, control dimensional, rayos X, inspección visual. Tenemos lo que son las frecuencias estado, que son por lote por cada pieza. Tenemos la responsable y resultado, que es el proveedor, la calidad, el operador, el producción, laboratorio, la operación CNC, operador ensamble, la producción y la logística.